Om Shanti and greeting of peace to my sweet dear brothers and sisters. We all want to live long and we all want to live worryless. How we do it? It's possible. Stop looking backward. Don't remember what happened in past. Leave it behind and start to go forward in your life. See what will be in future and plan for it. Don't look only with this through two eye. Open your third eye of wisdom and look with three eye, and you will start to look forward, far, far, far. You will start to know what will happen. And then still you need to find out something, what secret treasure you have within yourself, and for that you have to go inward. Go within yourself, go introvert, check what good quality you brought when you came on this earth. Then there will be no worry and no hurry. You will be free from hurry and worry, and you will enjoy your life so much. Om Shanti.